Chapter 2: Strategic Planning. A strategic business unit can be defined as follows. It is a single business or a collection of related businesses that can be planned separately and can stand alone from the rest of the company. It has a set of competitors distinct from those of other strategic business units. It has a manager responsible for strategic planning and profit performance and controls most of the factors affecting profit. The Boston Consulting Group approach is a method of evaluating and managing strategic business units as one would manage a portfolio. It comprises of a matrix with 4 quadrants. The x-axis represents market share. The y-axis represents market growth rate. Question marks are SBUs that have high growth rate and low market share. They need funds infusion to sustain growth and gain market share. They may or may not succeed, hence they are called question marks. Stars are SBUs that have high growth rate and high market share. They are usually profitable. They need capital infusion to sustain growth rate. Hence, they may not generate cash. Stars eventually become cash cows. Cash cows are SBUs that have low growth rate and high market share. They are usually profitable. They generate the cash needed to sustain the company. They need low capital infusion since the growth rate is low. Dogs have low market share and low growth potential. They are usually low in profitability. They need funds infusion. They are usually seen as units which do not have a future. The management strategy in respect of each of these SBUs can be build, hold, harvest, or divest. In the strategy to build, the goal is to build market share. Short-term profitability may be sacrificed. It is good for stars and promising question marks. In the strategy to hold, the goal is to preserve market share. This is appropriate for cash cows. In the strategy to harvest, the goal is to increase cash flows, even at the expense of long-term profitability. It is appropriate for weak cash cows, question marks, and dogs. The strategy to divest is to sell or close. It is appropriate for